Hi, it's Professor Burney with an introductory look at Chapter 2 on cinematography. A good place for us to start is to ask, what is cinematography? Something most viewers really wouldn't be aware of. We've all heard that filmmaking expression, lights, camera, action. Well, in terms of cinematography, that expression would be lights, camera, color, because those are the three components that comprise cinematography: lighting, camera work, and color design. We've already considered the functions of camera work in Chapter 1, so that leaves us with lighting and color design for Chapter 2. Looking at color design first, cinematographers work closely with directors to determine the overall look of a film, deciding on whatever color palette can best characterize a film's mood, feel, or vibe. Examples of such choices include the vibrant blue of Avatar to suggest a sci-fi or imaginary world, or the pale pastels of the Grand Budapest Hotel, which convey a detached, emotionless quality, or even the orange-brown sepia wash of The Godfather that projects the historical era of 1940s vintage photographs. Thus, the choice of coloration of entire films, or the gradual shift of a film's color from weak to strong shades, or from strong to weak, can also be used to reflect character progression or reversal within a film. In a similar way, cinematographers can also use different types of lighting to signal something about characters and their situations that supports what occurs in the action, dialogue, or script. One of these types is high key, or soft, bright lighting, which can be used to portray characters in well-lit circumstances, and is often used to convey a sense of naturalism in realistic or documentary films. Conversely, low-key, or hard, dark lighting shows a different kind of situation, one in which the characters and their surroundings are dimly lit, suggesting the morally darker worlds of film noir or horror movies. Finally, the practical technique and pictorial lighting can be used to complement the two types of high-key and low-key lighting, with the practical functioning as a particularly realistic form, i.e. lit candles on a restaurant table, to pictorial lighting used as an often distorted, expressionistic form, such as exaggerated shadows. So the conclusion we can draw from these lighting techniques, and from the focused use of color design, is that cinematographers and directors use these techniques to create certain specific effects or moods on the screen. And collectively, along with camera techniques, they combine to form the overall filmic element known as cinematography.